Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are well and doing good in your projects. So today I am making this video regarding there are certain tools which we are using in our AMS support when we are supporting to the client. So whenever any issue raised by the business user, he will raise in the ServiceNow incident. He will raise as an incident. We can see in the ServiceNow. ServiceNow is a tool or application where we can get the issue details. Okay, and you have to work on this issue, get the root cause, and provide the solution. So all those things you have to update in the ServiceNow. Okay, incident management or change request. So any CR is there, change request is there. So we have to update into the ServiceNow. There is one application which we are using as a SAP support consultant. Okay, across the globe. Second thing is a solution manager. In short, we are calling the Solman. So solution manager, through that we can migrate our transport request number to development to quality, quality to production. So that is one other tool that is called the solution manager. Another tool is testing tool. So sometimes we are performing the testing as per the scripts, test scripts. Okay, so there is a one which I used in one project, HPLM application lifecycle management. HPALM, we are using the tool. This is one application. Another application which I am using in my current project, that is a Q-test. So there is a certain scripts is there. Suppose you want to create the production order. So what is the steps? Okay, those steps we have to follow as part of the test scripts. We have to test this scenario, test scripts we have to follow in SAP system, and whether it is a pass or fail, so we have to provide the test results also. Okay, there is a one more tool, Jira. So sometimes you are doing any task, so whatever the update you have to put in the Jira. So I am repeating again. First thing, ServiceNow. There is a one application for the support, AMS support. Second is a solution manager. Third is a HPLM. Okay, then another is a Q-test. Another one more application is a Jira. So there are some other certain applications also we are using as per the client. Okay, this is the part of AMS support which we are doing for all the modules. If you have any question regarding the AMS support, how we can do the AMS support, okay, how we can update into this testing tool, all those things, if you have any query or any questions, you can reach out to me, message me, and like and subscribe my channel.